Hello everyone. This is the dissection of the cubital fossa. The cubital fossa is a roof, floor, content. The roof is formed by the overlying skin, superficial fascia and deep fascia. The superficial fascia in the roof contains, literally, this is the cephalic vein. This is the cephalic vein running along with cephalic vein. This is the lateral cutaneous knob of forearm. The lateral cutaneous knob of forearm is a continuation of musculocutaneous knob. Medially, this is the basilic vein. This is the basilic vein, and running along with basilic vein, this is the medial cutaneous knob of forearm. This obliquely running vein, joining the cephalic